Making money in this age and time is not about relentless struggles or doing some absurd job that doesn't give you time to properly live. All you need to do is work smart and take advantage of valuable information, like what I'm about to share in this video and also some of our videos, like 5 laziest ways to make money online with zero investment. I really think you should watch it too. So in this video, I'll talk about a simple and free method that could help you earn $9,000 a month or $300 a day. The main tool you'll use is Google News. The best part? You don't need any special degrees or qualifications, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. It's a chance for everyone, no matter where you are. So let's explore this opportunity together. The first step is to head over to Google.com. Once there, simply type Google News in the search tab and hit enter. This will take you to the Google News platform, a hub for both local and global news that's constantly updated. Now, in the first step, choose trending or popular topics that catch your interest. These topics can range from technology, business, sports, entertainment, science, to health, all conveniently listed in the menu bar. For this video, let's focus on business and health subjects. I'll guide you on how to monetize this later, so stay tuned. As for business, let's explore and see if anything grabs our attention. This seems intriguing. How a 10-year-old saved enough money to buy a $250,000 house by living in a tiny home her parents built for her in their backyard. Curious, right? Stick around, and I'll show you how to leverage this curiosity for your benefit. We should select a subject in the health niche, because I want to show you how dynamic this part-time job or earning opportunity is. Now, there are many good articles here that align with my interest, but this one about red meat and cheese caught my attention. It claims they are unlikely to lower future health based on a recent study. Remember those studies from years ago, like the one that said egg yolks are bad for us, or the one about coconut oil? We can't fully rely on these studies, but I'm intrigued because, despite knowing cheese is not great for me, I still eat it. Let's hear what they have to say. After selecting your article, it's time to move to the next step. Let's head over to SPINBOT. SPINBOT is a free automatic text rewriter, great for summarizing. It claims to be grammatically accurate, fun, and widely used globally. Having used it myself, I can confirm its grammatical accuracy. I really like the twist it puts on different inputs, whether it's an article or a blog. Now, have you figured out the next step? I know you're brilliant, but the next step is to copy the articles from Google News, paste them into SPINBOT, and hit the spin button. Let's paste the business article first and see the differences. After generating, I don't even know if I can say that, but you get the idea. SPINBOT did a good job maintaining originality with no plagiarism. The same holds true for the health article. SPINBOT has done a commendable job in spinning and maintaining the essence. Now you need to review the final article. If you want to customize it, feel free to do so. Remove unnecessary content, ads, and make it read perfectly. Some might think this involves copying people's content, but let me put it into perspective. Did Burger King copy McDonald's business model? It's debatable, but they adapted a successful model. Similarly, news platforms often reuse content. What you're doing is rephrasing and adapting, a common practice in many industries. Now, with your freshly spun article, you're ready to make some money. I'll share various platforms where you can post these articles and earn a substantial amount. I'll mention the site names for each. It's time to make $300 a day, depending on the platform you choose. You may need to post 1 to 3 articles a day, a simple task given how easy it is to read, copy, spin, and post. Let's explore these platforms that pay handsomely for your articles. 1. DOTDASH.com pays $100 to $500 for articles on topics like health, home improvement, and more. 2. ThePennyHoarder.com offers $75 to $100 for articles on personal finance. 3. TravelingWriter.com pays $50 to $200 for travel-related articles. 4. WomenOnWriting.com rewards $50 to $100 for articles supporting female writers. 5. InternationalLiving.com pays $75 to $400 for articles on travel and lifestyle. 6. Alistapart.com offers $200 to $300 for articles on web design and coding. 7. StrongWhisper.com pays $50 to $150 for articles on culture, weather, and social issues. 8. Cracked.com offers $100 to $200 for humor, pop culture, and entertainment articles. 9. Dollarot.com pays 10 cents per word for articles on personal finance. 10. WritersWeekly.com offers $60 for articles on writing, publishing, and freelancing. 11. PhotoshopTutorials.com pays as much as $300 for articles on Photoshop tutorials. 12. PayJournal.com offers $50 to $200 for articles on making money online. 13. Tutsplus.com pays $50 to $500 for articles on web development, design, and creativity. 14. The Sun Magazine, literary magazine paying up to $2,000 for personal essays, interviews, and fiction. 15. Expert Blogger, popular platform for freelance writing jobs on various topics. 16. ShortStack, allows you to submit art across different niches or categories. 17. Upwork, excellent platform for freelancers to write about a variety of topics. Now, if you can write articles on different topics and want to make $50 to $150 per article on culture, weather, and social issues, StrongWhisper.com is a great choice. All of these platforms have different requirements, so make sure to visit their websites for detailed guidelines. Remember, this is a legal and ethical way to earn, and you're not reusing the content verbatim, but putting your own twist on it. It's a widespread practice in various industries, and it's time for you to capitalize on this opportunity. Even if you don't fancy this method, click on the link below to watch the 5 laziest way to make money online with zero investment. If you appreciate the effort I put into finding these platforms, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.